Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use some of the patterning and mirroring tools, just some of the most common ones that you'll probably use. The first thing I'm going to do is on this train body. We made the holes before, and I'm going to show you how to mirror those across the plane line here. If you haven't watched that video on planes, go ahead and do that. One thing to know here is you can turn on and off your planes just by clicking this little eye up here. So I just have all the other planes turned off. So when I go into mirror, there's going to be one really quick thing to know. You are looking at 3 different mirror tools in one here. This right now is defaulting to a part mirror, which is not what we want. We want to mirror a feature. The part mirror is going to mirror entire parts. We just want to mirror one feature in our part. So from our, right now we see this blue box, we're selecting our features. We can either go down here and select the features there, or we can select the features from the browser over on the side, which is what I like to do. So I just selected hole 1, then it's saying, okay, now it's time to select the mirror plane, so I click on it, and I select plane 1, and you'll see it looks like it's automatically shown that visibility there. So I hit the check mark, and now I've got holes on both sides. At this point I can make that plane invisible, just so I don't have to see it anymore, and I'm good to go. My train body is done. Now to do the Revolve tool, we're going to do something very similar. Again, I've got my first extrusion made already, and this box here is going to be my, right next to the mirror tool is my pattern tool. This one is linear patterns. I also have circular and curve. Curve's a little more advanced. I don't even think that's in Inventor. We're going to use the circular pattern tool. So same deal here, entities to pattern. This one I can use a part because I only want the one feature, or the one piece. If I was selecting a feature, I don't believe it would let me extrude. It looks like it would. So I'm not sure about the difference there. If I can use just pattern that. I think I still want to use feature pattern here and select extrude 1. Then I want the axis of pattern. Then I want the axis of pattern. Again, this actually works the exact same as Inventor. I don't actually need the line at the axis. I can just select the circular feature. So that's center axis there. Then I can select the angle. 360 is normal. I can select the occurrences. I want 6. And then I have some more options here. I can uncheck equal spacing, and it's going to let me apply different spacings to different things. I want equal spacing, 360 degrees, 6 of them total, and I can just go ahead and hit the checkbox, and I've got all 6 of those. So patterning tools in Onshape, pretty similar. The big difference is most of the things that we're doing are feature patterns, not part patterns. So make sure you go ahead and change that over before you start trying to do your patterning.